Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Select Suites, Chicago, Rolling Meadows. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Extended Stay America, Chicago, Rolling Meadows is located in Rolling Meadows and especially designed for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a fully equipped kitchen. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi and a 24-hour front desk. Every kitchen at Extended Stay America, Chicago is equipped with a stovetop, microwave and a fridge. The hotel also provides guests with laundry and ironing facilities and upgraded bedding with extra pillows in every room. A grab-and-go breakfast is served every morning and includes bars, muffins, hot cereal, coffee and tea. The property offers free on-site parking. Attractions within close proximity to the hotel include the Arlington Park Race Track, the Woodfield Mall and the Medieval Times. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.